let me introduce the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette from Simply Nam. This gorgeous palette comes with 10 beautiful shades. It has metallic, matte and satin finish colors. Today I'm going to teach you how to create the perfect glittery smoky eye with the rose gold base. You always start by creating a beautiful base for your eye makeup. I'm using the color Rustic Brown, which is a soft, beautiful brown, starting by tapping the color or using a fluffy brush in the center and blending it all the way from the outside to the inside, going up into your brow bone. Remember to really blend this color and create that gorgeous eye shape that you want for your look. Always remember to start in the center, as that's where the maximum color gets deposited. I am now going to switch to a clean brush. I take a little product in this and I'm going to create that beautiful cut and crease outline that will give and accentuate the shape of the eye. Using a smaller brush and doing the exact same thing by creating that smokiness and softness and smudginess underneath the bottom waterline. I am now going to switch to the intense, beautiful Midnight Noir Black. This is a super black color. I start by depositing the color very close to the lash line, and I'm going to go all the way from the outside to the inside by tapping and gently rotating my brush to create the shape that I like. I'm switching to a cleaner brush to create that beautiful, soft, smoky eye shape. I don't want a very defined shape. The higher up you go towards the brow bone, the lighter the color should get. It's a beautiful diffusion of color that comes with your brushes. Once I'm done blending it in and adding as much intensity as I want to my smoky eye, I will then go to the second eye. Again, start close to your lashes and go all the way up. Blending is the key to making sure that you get the perfect smoky eye and the perfect shape for your eyes. I always have a cotton bud handy to clean out and perfect my shape. I'm now switching to pencil brushes. I'm using the same Midnight Noir Black and I'm starting from the outermost corner and I'm taking this 3/4 inside. The deeper I go towards the inner corner of the eye, the lighter the shade should become, so that your eye looks beautiful, elongated and gorgeous. Again, remember to blend, blend and blend. For me, a perfect smoky eye always has two colors, a brown and a black. Now I'm going to take the rose gold color in Pink Champagne. I love using a foil finish with my fingertips. I deposit that color with my fingertips and then I use a fluffy brush to blend it out. Inner corner to the center to get that perfect glittery smoky eye which looks gorgeous. Of course, you have to use cluster lashes to finish off this look. I'm starting with a few number 11s to give that beautiful flutter and elongated butterfly effect to the eyes, and then I go into a few number 10s towards the inner corner. Using a blunt plucker from Simply Nam, I blend the natural lashes to the cluster lashes. I'm adding a little bit of a highlighter. I love the Simply Nam Cosmic Glow highlighter. I use a fan brush to get maximum shine on the high cheekbones. Don't forget the bridge of your nose, and of course if you want to highlight your lip a little bit. Next, I'm going to do a beautiful nude pinky lip. I use a dark pink lip liner, create the shape that I want, fill up the entire lip with the lip liner. If you don't have a lip liner, you can use a pink lipstick. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite nude shades called Burnia. This shade is absolutely perfect. It's a pinky brownie nude and it just works so well with our Indian skin tones. I apply it in the middle, up and down, and then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend the edges fully. Don't forget, if you want a little bit of gloss, I like using the Sweet Kisses Hydrating Lip Balm in clear, again just in the center, up and down to create a full, beautiful, gorgeous lip. You can see how beautiful this look is.